All right, half cap trader stops up. Thank you, Zeke. The half cap trade today we have at 98. We said we're going to use that 98 to 99. Make sure you are paid. We said better odds for the long side. So look at this as an undercut low as long as we're above that prior low at 94. We're going to think of that as supportive. Not necessarily to get out of Dodge, but as a better odds trade to go long as opposed to trying to short the lows. Called for a two-way day. And the first rotation in IB, our expectation is that we would come and use this 94 versus this prior high on the bounce high. So the rest is horse trading. If you want more, you either need to re-enter or stops up. My suggestion is we are trying to look for a few points every day in swings. And the most important thing you can do is try to grab a piece here, a piece there. We said that the boys will be trying to fight to get back into this big blue box. And their goal is to try to get up here into this circle, defend this one back here. I'm trying to give you a visual of what's going on, just based on understanding strategy and warfare. Keep an eye on time. About 10 minutes after, do not expect everything to just be a one-shot deal and boom. Sometimes it happens, but that's not normal. Normally, you're going to get ebb and flow. You do this a couple of times a day, get a few points, they add up. It's what we call accumulating. Support zone we identified yesterday. Resistance zone we identified. And then the primary pipe. So anybody that has had a few points in this run, make sure you're paid. We're testing yesterday's low at the end of the day. That's this low right here. You can see it in that last swing. So this is a retest type of trade. Don't get complacent, because the shorts will feel there are better odds. Whether they win, lose, or draw, still better odds back here than there is shorting down here at the low. And this is called shorting in the hole. So if you have a steady diet of shorting in the hole, you're going to find this business tough. Zeke. Love Zeke's commentary. I told you. Not going to find better commentary. Keep an eye on the 60 charts and 30 charts. But primarily, we thought range trade the first hour. So far, that's what we've got inside this swing. Note how all these were black. Note how this is like what I call a keyboard, piano keyboard. Blacks and whites opposite. So this was pre-market, and this is the boys saying, I think better odds going this way. And all because this is a little undercut low. And so Charlie, and I use the word Charlie, he's all of us, wrong way Charlie, mistakenly thinks, okay, new lows, we can just jump in and short. You can't. Look at this bounce from yesterday, 2 days ago. All the way down here, boom, 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 right at you. Double top, never breaks. And then lower highs, lower lows, descending triangle. So all I can tell you is take time to learn these ideas. It takes a long time to learn them, and it takes even longer to execute them. So get your understanding first. Get your theory first, and then practice. And if you're profitable with a simulator, then you earn the right to try to use your real money. And if not, if you can't be profitable with a simulator, you're never going to do it with real money under pressure. And if you need this money to survive, this is how you're feeding your family, and then you put an inordinate amount of pressure on yourself. I think most traders get into the game way too soon. You have a real estate business you can count on, a deal here, a deal there, and then you come in and you try to schedule your appointments after hours or later in the day, and in the morning, focus on the primary trade. That's a business. And because you have income from other sources, it takes the pressure off you till you really get to, have a substantial account and substantial knowledge, and where it makes a difference. So Zeke and I have been at this 25, 30 years, and I'm trying to give you the best information I can to have you be realistic with your expectations.